India's Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal on Thursday co-chaired the 13th meeting of the India-UAE High-Level Joint Task Force on Investments, along with Managing Director of the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, Sheikh Hamid bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The meeting reviewed the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, the Double Taxation Treaty, and Central Bank Cooperation, while exploring new investments in space, maritime, and other high potential sectors. Both sides also discussed joint initiatives in third country markets, particularly in Africa and Central Asia, combining India's skilled workforce with the UAE's financial strength. Talking to media, Minister Goyal announced the setting up of an Indian Institute of Foreign Trade or IIFT campus at the Dubai Expo site.
We have now received all the approvals for setting up an Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, IIFT, in Dubai. IIFT campus is being set up at the Dubai Expo location. The Indian diaspora will also benefit significantly, as will the local UAE people who will get an exposure to international foreign trade education of a very high level.
Commerce Minister also underlined progress in financial integration, noting that India's Unified Payments Interface (UPI) has been rolled out in the UAE.
हमने आपस में गत 3 वर्षों से लोकल करेंसीज में व्यापार बढ़ाने का भी प्रयास जो शुरू किया था वो भी सफलतापूर्वक आगे तेजी से बढ़ रहा है। यूपीआई यहाँ पे स्थापित हो गई है। वर्चुअल ट्रेड यानी डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से दोनों देशों के बीच में डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एक्सचेंज हो सके उसको भी सुनिश्चित किया गया है।
On Friday, Minister Goyal will hold sector-specific meetings and business engagements. He is accompanied by one of the largest Indian business delegations to visit the UAE in recent years, covering industries such as pharmaceuticals, textiles, aerospace, food processing, and fisheries. Bureau Report, DD India.